Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. In this video, we will discuss about the formation of ionic compounds. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, sodium oxide and aluminium trichloride. These are the examples of ionic compounds. Now, let us discuss about the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed from the elements sodium and chlorine. This formation of sodium chloride we can explain in three steps. First, cation formation, anion formation and the formation of the compound. First, we will discuss about the cation formation. How the cation forms in sodium, let us observe. When sodium atom loses one electron to get octet electron configuration, it forms a cation Na+ and gets electronic configuration that of neon atom. So, sodium atomic number, sodium is 11 atomic number and it forms as cation. In the previous videos also we discussed this. Sodium loses one electron and forms as cation. So, in the last shell it has one electron. Sodium loses one electron and forms as Na+. So, the electronic configuration of sodium atom is 281 and the electronic configuration of sodium cation is 28. In the valency shell, it has 8 electron. It loses 1 electron and it gets neon configuration. Now, we observe the anion formation. Chlorine has shortage of one electron to get octet in its valence shell, so it gains one electron from sodium atom to form anion and gets electron configuration of that of argon. So, chlorine electronic configuration, if we observe, it is 287. In the valence shell, it has 7 electrons. It receives 1 electron from sodium and it forms as Cl-. So, its electronic configuration is 288. In the outer shell, Cl- has valence electrons 8. So, electronic configuration of chlorine atom is 287 and electronic configuration of Cl- ion is 288 and sodium atom to form anion and gets electron configuration as that of argon. So, sodium forms as cation and chlorine forms as anion. These cation and anion combines together and form sodium chloride compound. Transfer of electron between sodium and chlorine atoms results in the formation of sodium and chlorine ions. These oppositely charged ions get attracted towards each other due to electrostatic forces and form the compound sodium chloride. So, Na+ plus Cl- gives rise to NaCl, sodium chloride compound formed. So, cation and anion, sodium cation and chlorine anion combine together and form sodium chloride. It is ionic bond. Now we observe the formation of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride is formed from the elements of magnesium and chlorine. So, in this also we observe in 3 steps. First, cation formation, anion formation and the compound formation. So, first cation formation, magnesium cation formation, if we observe what is the electronic configuration of magnesium, it is 282. In the valence shell, magnesium has 2 electrons. So, it loses 2 electrons and becomes as magnesium Mg+2 cation. So, electronic configuration of magnesium ion is 282 and magnesium +2 Mg+2 ion electronic configuration is 28. In the valence shell it has 8 electrons. It loses 2 electrons and becomes as cation. So, next anion formation of chlorine. 2 chlorine atoms receives the 2 electrons from the magnesium and it changes as 2Cl-. So, 2Cl-, its electronic configuration is 288. The compound of magnesium chloride formation from its ions, magnesium gets neon configuration and chlorine gets argon configuration. Mg plus 2 Cl minus gives rise to MgCl2. One magnesium atom transfers 2 electrons, one each to 2 chlorine atoms, and so formed Mg plus 2, and 2 Cl minus ions, 2 Cl minus attract to form MgCl2. So magnesium and 2 chlorine atoms combine together and form magnesium chloride. Children, for better understand, you can watch this cartoon video and have fun.